Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix connection error on Payday 3. Make sure that you stay until the very end this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So what I'm going to show you are some just basic troubleshooting that you can do to fix the problem. So let's get on it. So first, what you can do is to simply restart your internet connection. So many issues nowadays that are connected to network errors can be resolved by simply resetting your router or connecting to the internet if you are not connected to the internet. And then next, don't let the game idle. So if you play or if you let Payday 3 sit idle for too long, about around 15 minutes, the game will automatically give you the no network connection error. So you can combat this by returning to the main menu. So you shouldn't need to log in again if you do this and just you can try to connect quickly. And then you can also try restarting your connection. So no matter if you're playing on Xbox Series, XS, PlayStation 5, or PC, restarting your gaming device can help you get a stronger connection and may also help avoid the error message. And unfortunately, there isn't much that can be done about this issue because it is mostly lies on the developer side. So trying the different fixes that I've told you might help you to get back to your heists. But if you're still having issues, you can contact customer support for the Payday 3. You can also check your area for any outages reported by your internet provider. So that's it for this video and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.